A and B start swimming from the opposite ends of a swimming pool, P and Q respectively, at constant speeds. They meet for the first time when B is at a distance of 80 meters from P. B touches P and starts swimming towards Q. Both A and B reach Q at the same time. What is the length of the swimming pool? Let's assume this is the swimming pool. Right? The length of the swimming pool is whatever, L. Okay. This is the end P. This is the end Q. So A started swimming from P. B started swimming from Q. Right? A and B start swimming from the opposite ends of swimming pool P and Q respectively at constant speeds. Their speeds are not changing. Now look at this. They meet for the first time when B is at a distance of 80 meters from P. So when they're swimming, they meet somewhere in the middle. Let's say they meet here. Right? A and B both meet here. Now this is at a distance of 80 meters from, see, they meet for the first time when B is at a distance of 80 meters from P. So B, they are meeting here. This is the meeting point. At this point, B was 80 meters away from P. The distance from P was 80 meters, the meeting point. Now what happens? B touches P. So they meet here, they cross each other and they start swimming. So B goes to P, B touches P, the point P, and starts swimming towards Q. So what happens? B will go in this direction, A will continue in this direction, like this, right? Now B touches P and then returns. After touching P, it returns. And then it starts swimming towards Q. Yes or no? You see, B touches P and starts swimming towards Q. So it starts going towards Q. It is also swimming towards Q, and at the same time, A is also swimming towards Q from the beginning. And B also is in the reverse direction, swimming towards Q. Both A and B reach Q at the same time. Now this is the most important part. So the moment A reaches Q, B also reaches Q. So you understand what has happened. A did only one lap from P to Q. He started from P, he reached Q. In the meantime, B, who started from Q, went till P, returned, took a reverse direction, and then came back. So by the time A could finish one length, Q has finished two lengths. Now B has finished two lengths. B has gone there and then come back. Meaning in the same time, B could travel twice the distance, which means speed of B is twice the speed of A. There ends the matter. If you figure this out, you know what the answer is. It's simple that by the time A finished one lap, B has finished two laps. So speed of B is 2 times the speed of A. Right? Now understand. When at the meeting point here, when they met here, at this point, B was at a distance of 80 meters from P, which means A traveled 80 meters. You're getting it? This is the length. This is P, this is Q. They met here somewhere. A and B met here. The distance was 80 meters. This distance was 80 meters. Who covered this distance 80 meters? A. Who covered this distance? B. If A has covered 80 meters in some time, in the same time, B should have covered 160 meters. Because B speed is twice the speed of A. B started from Q. A started from P. Both started at the same time. Both are running at constant speeds. So if A has covered 80 meters in some time, in the same time B would have covered 160 meters. Yes. So what is the length of the pool? 240 meters.